Here's a beautiful example of a 2000 Jaguar XKR, which would be the supercharged coupe version of the XK. The coupes, pretty rare to find, being only 10% of them were made into coupes. And then throw the low miles on top of that, little over 24, let's figure between 24 and 25,000 miles on this. Very rare, low mile car, extremely nice. Well taken care of. It's a 3-owner car. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, there's no paint work on this car. Mobil 1 synthetic oil has always been used, it's been serviced. Again, very well taken care of, desirable car with low miles on it. Go ahead, check out the still pictures. I want you to take a look underneath the hood, the interior, under sides of the car, engine bay. I mean, check it all over, check it out close. The still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to call us too if you'd like to discuss this car, figure out how to get it in your garage. Give us a call at 507-386-1726. A little more about this car. This would be anthracite mica as far as the color on it. Has cashmere leather interior. These cars brand new were over $77,000 original MSRP on them. And again, this one's got a little over 24, like I said, figured between 24 and 25,000 miles on it. Get around to the driver's side, we'll get in, start it up, and check out the exact miles. Kind of cool thing, the front end of these cars harkens back to the XE series of Jaguars from back in the day. Kind of that catfish nose, if you will. You can see how nice and straight this car is up and down the sides. Again, no accidents, no paint work. It's not full of nicks, not full of chips. And yeah, you may find one here or there, but they're pretty few and far in between. Paint has a great shine and luster to it. Interior extremely clean, non-smoker. And again, a coupe in the supercharged version, 4.0 underneath the hood, supercharged. 370 horse is what this car is. 5-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. This car will get up and go. And again, only 10% of these were made in the coupes. So, pretty rare car you're looking at here. And like I said, very low miles, very nice shape. Now, we do consider trades. Financing's available. And of course, we can assist you with the transportation, getting that lined up so you can get this car to your driveway. Once again, check out the still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, our phone number, 507-386-1726. See, it's riding on some BF Goodrich tires, original stock, chrome wheels, which were an add. I do believe these were not the standard ones that would have came with it. This would be an upgraded chrome wheel. Really sets off the paint on this. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. So how nice a shape this is. I'm going to take a look at the original floor mats. The door cards. Obviously everything you'd assume a luxury car from Jaguar in 2000 would have. Alpine stereo system to it. Navigation built into the dash. All your steering wheel controls. Automatic climate controls. And real wood in these. And it is in impeccable shape. Check out the real wood dash. Steering wheel. Just a great look that Jag did with these. Again, you can see how clean it is. Just look at the floor mats, the carpeting, dash, extremely clean vehicle. So there's your exact miles, 24,321. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run, and I'll check out the engine bay and everything. Also, make sure there's no warning indicators, anything like that. Just the fact I have the driver's door open. See gauges work. Hey, full tank of gas, almost even. No bonus for you. Slip around to the back. No crazy exhaust, no modifications. Just what you'd expect it to sound like. Great sounding car. Again, those were the optional chrome plated wheels. I'm going to kind of just go down my cheat sheet here a little bit, make sure I'm not missing anything. I want to tell you everything that I know about this car. Did mention it was a 3-owner car. Has a clean Carfax. Previous owner states everything works properly on this car, like you'd expect. And it does move. It will go. Supercharged V8 underneath the hood. Let's go ahead and open this hood. I think I've pretty much told you everything that was passed on to me that I know. No surprises with this one. 2000 Jaguar XKR Coupe is the biggest thing about this. 10% of the build was coupes in this model. There's that supercharged 4-liter, and again you can see how nice and tidy it is underneath there. Has been serviced regularly. You can tell that's majority climate weather. Take a look at the hood mat underneath there, how clean that is. .370 horse, and even a few more foot-pounds of torque than that. 380 something, I believe it is. There you go. If you're looking for one of these, I'd have to say this is probably one of the finest examples out there. Give us a call. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can find the still pictures and information on this car. And of course, we consider trades. Financing's available, and we'd be happy to assist you with getting this car to your location. Look forward to hearing from you.